Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adekomola Kinsey, and this video is actually to explain some few things about the Aviator Predictor app and some few doubts about this app. Now, some months ago, I did a video talking about giving the APK to people, the app to people who subscribe to my channel, and also give them the login details. I did exactly that, but then I found out something else, that people I gave those apps to were using the app to take money from people, and as you know, scam them in some ways. Yes, so sorry, I did some small investigations to find out this. That is, I used a different number to text these few people I gave the app to, that I was looking, I'm in need for this app and I'm ready for anything. So they decided to take money, asking for money, and then I got to realize that no, people are using this app to scam. So I decided to stop. So if you came into my DM and then I'm ignoring your messages or all that, please don't misunderstand. Just try and get it right. That this is what is happening. That is why I decided not to share the app again. So going straight to the reason why I made this video, just to explain some few things about the Aviator Predictor app. Without wasting my time, let's just dive into the street so we get to know all this. Yeah, after watching this video, I know there are still people who choose to ignore and then continue to do whatever they want to do. Yes, but I assure you that if you follow whatever I tell you and if you listen to this video very carefully, you will find yourself to be safe and you actually live in the danger zone. Yes. I did a little bit of research on Google. I googled if whether the Aviator Predictor app is real or it's fake. So I'm going to share with you some articles I got from Quora. Yes, I'm going to share with you this article. So without wasting my time, let's just get straight into the articles. I'm going to read them one by one to you, and you get to understand everything very clear and very well. So in Quora, somebody asked if the Aviator Predictor boots are real, and this was the reply the person got from Quora. They said, yes, Aviator Predictor is real. I got the app and logins from blah 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 on Telegram. Now these are ways scammers advertise their Telegram channels and lure people, the ignorant ones, lure them and then deceive them to go to Telegram, search the channel's name, and then end up losing their monies over there. So don't just mind these people. Now we are moving to the next article. That is, the person asks, how can I hack the Aviator bet? And this was the reply the person got: you can't. Grow up and stop being an ass hacked. So at least this is actually a good comment for people who are still looking for ways to hack this Aviator game and all those stuff. And another one, somebody was asking, how can you hack the betting Aviator? And this was a reply he got from somebody. They said you have to be a very advanced and a very stupid hacker who doesn't give a damn about his life and the lives of his loved ones and is willing to do jail time. Yes, I think this comment alone will actually make you change your mindset about looking for this Aviator Predictor. And lastly, I found some article here too. The person over here tried giving us some way to find this Aviator Predictor app, and he stated that we should go to the official website of the Aviator Predictor, that is the www.aviatorpredictor.com, to find the original app over there. So I quickly copied this link, just like you are seeing on the screen. I copied this link and then I went to the official site, and actually what I saw, I wasn't actually impressed because the site doesn't look real. Like, it doesn't look real, it doesn't look professional. So I don't think this app really exists. I don't think it's very difficult to hack the Aviator game. To be very difficult to hack the Aviator game. It's not easy to do that. Yes. Now I'd like to end this video here, but before I end, I want to give you some 5 tips to improve your winning possibility, that is with the Aviator Predictor game. Now the first thing is to practice, and the second, to observe your opponents, understand the game mechanics, analyze the game environment, and also stay focused. So if you go with this 5 rule, I'm not assuring you for 100% success, but at least it will improve your winning probability. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for having time to watch this video. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share to your friends, turn on post notification after you subscribe, and I'll catch you up in the next upload. My last information for you, please don't follow the Aviator Predictor app, because it is not, this is from my point of view, it is the same way as an advice to people out there: don't follow the Aviator Predictor app, because I have about 3 of them and none of them is working. So don't follow. Thank you.